Hello, my name is Rachel Stevens. I'm 22 years old. My hometown is Fort Worth, Texas, and I graduated from Acellus Academy with honors in 2018. I had attended both private and public schools, but ultimately made the decision to transition to Acellus Academy to take advantage of the flexible schedule. During high school, I was able to tour with a resident musical theater company and was able to travel the world while maintaining a 4.0 GPA and taking advanced placement classes, an experience I would not have had at any other high school. After I graduated from Acellus Academy, I moved to Switzerland to attend Franklin University, Switzerland, and I'll be graduating next month with a degree in political science and applied mathematics. The next fall, I'll be attending the University of Colorado Law School, and I hope to pursue a career as a policy analyst. While I was in school at Acellus, I was really encouraged to independently search for my academic passions while being provided with amazing academic support. I also gained many useful life skills during this time, such as effective time management, the importance of academic curiosity, and how to be independent. So I'd like to thank Acellus for giving me an amazing high school experience and preparing me for my future.